Today we've got a cool comparison, the Autel MS309 versus the Autel MS300. We'll walk through what each one does, how easy they are, what works in real life, and which one I'd pick if I were you. Let's dive in. Autel MS300 BD Scanner Code Reader, a powerful diagnostic tool designed to make your life as a car owner or mechanic a whole lot easier. Stick around to learn all about its features, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for your toolbox. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. As you can see, the package includes the Autel MS300 BD2 scanner, a user manual, and a convenient storage pouch to keep everything organized. The Autel MS300 is a versatile and user-friendly OBD2 scanner designed for both deers and professionals. Let's talk about some of its key features. Compatibility. The MS300 is compatible with most OBD2-compliant vehicles, including cars and light trucks. It works with vehicles made in 1996 and newer, whether they are domestic or imported. Read and clear codes. This scanner can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, helping you identify and resolve issues with your vehicle quickly. Live data. The device can also display live data in real time, which is incredibly helpful for diagnosing intermittent problems and monitoring your vehicle's performance. IORM readiness. It checks the readiness status of your vehicle's emissions systems, making it easier to pass emissions tests. User-friendly interface. The Autel MS300 boasts a user-friendly interface with a backlit LCD screen, making it easy to read in any lighting conditions. DTC definitions. It provides DTC definitions on the screen, so you don't have to consult a manual or search online for code meanings. Multilingual menu. It supports multiple languages for global users. Compact and portable. The scanner's compact size and included storage pouch make it easy to take with you wherever you go. Using the Autel MS300 is simple and straightforward. Let's quickly go through the steps. Plug in. Locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, typically located under the dashboard. Plug in the Autel MS300. Power on. Turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. Navigate the menu. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the menu. Select read codes or any other desired function. View results. The scanner will display the results on its backlit screen. You can note the trouble codes or view live data as needed. Clear codes. If necessary, you can clear trouble codes by selecting the Clear Codes option. The Autel MS300 is not just for professionals but also for everyday car owners. Here are a few real-life scenarios where it can come in handy. Check engine light. When your check engine light comes on, the Autel MS300 can help you quickly identify the problem. Pre-purchase inspections. If you're considering buying a used car, bring the MS300 with you to ensure the vehicle is in good condition. Emissions testing. Use the scanner to check your vehicle's IORM readiness. Before heading to the emissions testing station, regular maintenance. The scanner can be used for routine maintenance tasks, like resetting the oil change indicator. Here are some pros and cons about Autel MS300 BD2 scanner. Pros. Easy to use, even for beginners. Compatible with most OBD2-compliant vehicles manufactured after 1996. Affordable price. Compact and portable. Quick and accurate diagnostics. Multilingual menu. Cons. Limited features primarily designed for basic engine diagnostic. No screen backlight can make the display difficult to read in low light conditions. No update option may become outdated as new vehicle models are released. Overall, the Autel MS300 is a good value for the money. It is a reliable and user-friendly tool for basic engine diagnostics. If you are looking for a more advanced scanner with more features, you may want to consider other options. The Autel MS300 BD2 scanner code reader is a valuable tool for anyone who owns or works on vehicles. Its ease of use, compatibility, and range of features make it a must-have in your automotive toolkit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the Autel MS300 will save you time and money by helping you diagnose and fix vehicle issues quickly and accurately. That's it for today's review of the Autel MS300 BD2 scanner code reader. They're the Autel MS309. This little device may be compact, but it packs a punch. The Autel MS309 is an entry-level OBD2 scanner, perfect for DIY mechanics or anyone who wants to keep their car's health in check. Whether you're dealing with check engine lights or just want to monitor your car's performance, this tool could be your new best friend. First up, Autel MS300 MS309 Compact. Pocket Code Reader supports all OBD2 protocols: KWP2000, ISO 2000, ISO 9141, J1850 VPU, J1850, PWM, and CAN. This OBD2 code scanner is compatible with 99% OBD-compliant vehicles, passenger cars, or light trucks. For OBD2 cars, usually post-1996 for US market, post-2006 for EU market, and post-2009 for Asian market. It reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, which is what you need to figure out why that pesky check engine light is on. It also shows the definitions of those codes right on the end. It doesn't stop there. You also get access to real-time data like engine RPM, vehicle speed, fuel, system status, and more. That's a feature usually reserved for higher-end scanners. You simply plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and the device powers up automatically, no batteries needed. The interface is super simple and easy to navigate with these basic arrow buttons. From the main menu, you can choose to read or erase codes, view live data, or check vehicle information like VIN numbers. It's straightforward, even for beginners. Pros: compact and portable. Easy to use with no extra setup. Affordable, usually around $20-30, provides code definitions on the screen, live data, and freeze frame features. Cons: limited advanced features compared to pricier scanners. No ABS or seniors diagnostics. Screen can be a bit small for some users. So, is the Autel MS309 worth it? Absolutely! For under $30, it's a fantastic deal for anyone who needs a simple, reliable OBD2 scanner. It gives you the key info to help diagnose your car's issues, save money, and stay in control of your vehicle's health. If you're a weekend warrior, a deer, or even just someone who wants to avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic, this scanner is a must-have. You can grab yours through the link in the description below. On Amazon US, it's listed, for example, as a plug-and-play OBD2 code reader that displays freeze frame data, VIN info, I or M readiness, etc. So, good value for someone who wants more than just read a code, but you might want to check build or quality reviews. Listed on Amazon as a simple Autel MS300 MS300 budget-friendly OBD2 reader, reads or clears codes, checks I or M readiness, supports most 1996 plus OBD2 cars. So great, just the essentials tool for DIY casual users. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.